why a lot of people travel is to get away, to get out, to be where nobody really goes. And that's what Mie kind of felt like, is a place that's kind of untouched, untapped, and you feel like you're somewhere real, like you're somewhere special, and you're at a place, you're not too far out, but you feel pretty far out.
When you start losing yourself in Mie, more you go south and more you feel like you deep dive in Japan and in a place where nobody goes.
I'm not gonna tell you how to do your trip in Japan. There's a lot of good places, but if you want to have some adventure, if you want to get off the beaten path, I definitely think you should go. That's what I want to do. I want to go back.